calculate the mean, median, and mode. So we've got our data set here. Alright, you can see that it is 11 data values long. Alright, we've got 6, 9, 9, 10, 13, 15, 18, 18, 18, 19, 20. Alright, so to do the mean first, alright, which is this symbol, alright, we need to add all the numbers together, and then we're going to divide it by how many there are. Alright, so to solve this problem, we need to do our x bar, which stands for mean, is equal to 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 13 plus 15 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20, all divided by 11. Okay, we've got 11 values, so we're going to divide this by 11. Alright, so what we can do is we can grab our calculator. Alright, so I'm using my calculator, so you guys might not look like this, but that's fine. Just use any scientific calculator. We're just going to go 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 13, and all we're doing is we're copying in these data values. We're going to make sure that we get it exactly right. If we make an error here, we're going to get a wrong answer. So we can see that the answer here is 155. Alright, oops, delete those zeros. Alright, now that we've got that, we're going to do 155 divided by 11. Okay, remember we had 11 data values. So we're going to do 155 divided by 11, and what we get is our mean. Alright, you can see though that there's a lot of decimals after this, after our decimal place, a lot of numbers, alright, 0 and 9 repeating. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on just the two digits after the decimal place. Alright, so that's the 0 and this 9. To figure out whether we have to change any of these values, we look at the third number. This third number is a 0. Because it's not bigger than 4, we do nothing to the 9. And so when it comes to our answer back here, we're going to write x bar is equal to 14.09. Alright, and so that's how we calculate mean. Mode is much simpler. We don't have to do any calculations. Alright, and so we're looking at our numbers up here. We're just looking for identifying which number appears more often than any other. So we can see that there is only 1 6, so that can't be the most popular number. So we're going to go through and we can see there's a couple of 9s, but there's 3 18s. And because there's no other number that appears more than 3 times, alright, our mode is simply 18. So that's all we write 18. Alright, median is our last measure of center. Alright, so to calculate median, we are going to go how many numbers there are. Alright, we're going to add 1. So there's 11 numbers, we're going to add 1 and then divide that answer by 2. Alright, so in this case, alright, we had 11 numbers, we add 1, divide by 2, we got 12, divided by 2, we get 6. So the 6th number is our median. So we're going to go back up to our values up here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so 15 is our median. We're going to double check this. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how it's 6 either side gets me to the same number. That's how we know that that's the middle value, which is what median stands for. Alright, so we're going to write down here in our answer, we're going to write median equals 15. Alright, so just to clarify this step here, it got 12 on 2, which is 6. So we're looking for the 6th number. Alright, but what happens when we have, so this works when we have an odd number of values. Alright, what happens when we have an even amount of values? Alright, so we've got some new data here. Alright, we've got 7, 11, 13, 13, 14, 16, 16, 16. Alright, so that means we've got 3, 6, 8 numbers. Alright, so what we're going to do this time is we're going to find out where the middle is. Alright, and so what we do is we're going to do the same thing we did last time, but we're not going to add 1. Alright, because we already have an even number, we don't have to make our number even. So the reason we add 1 here is to make it so that it's an even number, so when we divide by 2 we get a whole number. Alright, because we don't have half of numbers in between these values. We only have, this is the first data value, this is the second, third, fourth, etc. We don't have a 1.5 data value. Alright, so when we're looking at this one, we don't need to add one. So when we're doing median, alright, we're going to still do our thing. So there's 8 numbers divided by 2 and we get 4. So the fourth number. Alright, so let's have a look. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13. Let's double check the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so what we've worked out is these two numbers are in the middle. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to look at these two numbers and we're going to find the mean of them. Alright, we commonly call this the average of them. Alright, so we know that the median is going to be 13 and 14 divided by 2. Alright, so again, grab our calculator. Alright, so we're going to go 13 plus 14, get an answer, so 27. 27 divided by 2 and 13.5. You can see that 13.5 sits exactly between 13 and 14, so our median is 13.5. Alright, so you can see when we have an even amount of numbers, we are looking for the number in between the two middle, but when we have an odd amount of data values, we are going to find out exactly the middle. So in this case, 15 was exactly our middle. Hopefully that helps explain. You guys can be successful with your mean, median, and mode. If not, make sure you email your teacher for assistance. Thanks for listening. I'll catch you later.